What's going on, guys? Dwayne here with My Investment Journey, and I am back again. In this video, I'm talking to you about my second dividend payment with Vanguard Information Technology ETF, ticker symbol VGT. I'm very excited. This is only my second dividend payment with Vanguard Information Technology ETF. This ETF pays quarterly. However, I'm very excited. I have some really good numbers to share with you guys in this particular video. But hey, if you're new to the channel, once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and on this channel, I talk about how to start investing in the stock market, and I show you my investment journey. So be sure to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so I'm gonna share with you guys right now on the screen my current portfolio. And right now, because this is live at the making of this video, the stock market is currently open. My portfolio is valued at $293,000. And today, as you guys can see, I'm down $600. Right now, of course, this is going to fluctuate throughout the video. Just to kind of give you guys a quick snapshot of where I am overall. On my all-time experience in Robinhood, I'm currently up $47,000. As you guys can see here, it has a plus $47,000. But I really started to invest again in the stock market in May of 2020. And since then, I am almost up $50,000, almost $50,000. But overall, in my Robinhood experience, I'm currently up $47,000, which obviously has not always been the case, right? So if I move the cursor here, you guys can see there was a point where I was down quite a bit here. And then, of course, I kind of made my way back up eventually. And now I'm seeing greener pastures. I'm experiencing greener pastures. So once again, currently live, my portfolio is valued at $293, $518 right now. And since the video has started, my portfolio has gone up almost $300, right? Anyway, let me go ahead and click on VGT, which right here is Vanguard Information Technology. This is an ETF, and what I like about this one is the fact that this particular ETF is heavily weighed towards technology stocks, and I'll share it with you guys in just a minute. So as you can see, my current market value is $29,348.85. I am currently up overall $3,240, which happens to be 12.41%. My average cost per share, $411.84. I currently own 63.39 shares, as you guys can see there. Very excited about this one, and I'm going to show you guys more as to why I'm excited. So I'm going to scroll down here, and as you guys can see, these are the top 10 holdings of this particular ETF, this particular Vanguard Information Technology ETF. And the top 10 companies you guys are mostly going to be familiar with. You see Apple is number one, and then it tells you what percentage of this particular ETF goes towards Apple. So if you had $100 invested in VGT, $20.55 would go towards Apple. Then, of course, Microsoft, you see 17.76%. NVIDIA, Adobe, Visa, Salesforce, MasterCard, Cisco Systems, Broadcom, Accenture, right? So you have the breakdown there of the top 10 holdings for this particular ETF. I just want to show you guys, this is my second dividend payment from VGT. So the first one was back here in October for $56, as you guys can see here. Quite interesting that the dividend payment is less, but I guess maybe there are less companies in the ETF that pay dividends the second time around. So maybe that's why the price is different. So the first one here you see on October the 4th for $56. They're paying 88 cents basically for each share that you own. And then on December the 21st, okay, so the amount per share has lowered, right? So now you're looking at 82 cents for each share that you own. So that's why the payment is substantially lower. It's almost like it's $4 and change lower, $51.96. What I want to show you guys is that I basically invested $26,000 with VGT. So the very first investment that I made was way back here, August the 10th, 2020 for $20,000. At that particular time, I grabbed 48 shares. And then I invested another $6,000 on August the 18th. And at that time, it was $410.24 per share. So I've invested $26,000 in VGT. And since then, like I shared with you guys, I'm up. So it's gone up like $3,000, which is really incredible. So right here you can see I'm up $3,200. That is really cool. I mean, to be up 12% basically from August 2020, which at the making of this video, it's December. I'm sorry, not August 2020, August 2021. At the making of this video, it's December 2021. So in a couple of months, I was able to be up 12%. That is ridiculous. I'm going to show you guys some more information that I think is going to get a lot more people excited about this particular ETF. I like this one because it has a lot of solid companies, and we're familiar with a lot of the companies, and I don't have to do any research. Now, one of the things that that you do have to take into consideration is that this particular ETF charges an expense ratio, which is 0.10%, which basically means $10 for every $10,000 you have invested is what you're paying Vanguard to basically manage this particular ETF. So basically what happens is there are a lot of different companies that's in this particular ETF, and of course there's somebody managing the companies that's in the ETF. They're keeping track of who's who and what's what. And so if a company's not performing the way that they think it should, they will get rid of that company. And so they'll take them out of the ETF. So as you guys can see here, I'm on the Vanguard website because I wanted to show you. So here you go, the expense ratio right here, as you guys can see, is 0.10%. So that's $10 for every $10,000 you have invested. The risk potential here, as you can see, this is a 5 out of a 5. So the more risk, more reward. We're 5 out of 5. We're all the way up. This is what gets me very excited. I love their hypothetical growth of $10,000 here, as you guys can see, as of November 30th, 2021. If you had $10,000 invested 10 years ago, that $10,000 would now be worth $80,000. So 8 times your money. Now that's a 10-year period. I'm not necessarily looking for 8 times my money. Of course, it would be nice if I could 8 times my money in 10 years because I have invested $26,000. But even if I got 4 times my money or 5 times my money, that's still going to be plenty of money in 10 years. So I'm excited about that because, you know, you can't just let $10,000 sit in your bank account and 10 years later, the $10,000 is going to be worth $80,000. I mean, that is huge. Okay. So if I scroll down here, I'll show you guys there are currently 362 companies in this particular ETF as of November the 30th, 2021. And then, of course, they have listed here the top 10 holdings, which I mentioned already on Robinhood. To the left, they have some more information as far as exactly how this portfolio is broken down as far as the 362 companies are concerned, and so on and so forth. All right, so I wanted to take the time once again to show you guys this because I'm very, very excited. I'm very passionate about being able to share my journey with you guys in regards to the stock market and let you guys know that it's not hard to be successful. As a matter of fact, if you invest in an ETF such as VGT or VOO, these are Vanguard ETFs, by the way. Of course, you can invest in Fidelity ETFs if you want, or index funds if you would like. And so when you invest in something like this, you're not having to really worry about doing a lot of research. I mean, in all reality, the answers are really kind of in front of you because the top 10 holdings, the people that are managing the ETF believes so much in those companies. That's why they're the top 10. And so it's really cool because a lot of those companies are companies that you're familiar with. And once again, you don't have to do the research. That is what I love about ETFs. Anyway, like I said, I wanted to share that with you guys, my most recent payment with VGT, which is Vanguard Information Technology ETF. All right, that's going to be it for this video. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, be sure to subscribe to the channel. I'd love to have you as a subscriber. All right, once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.